How to earn a badge and a certificate from IBM and Adobe for free. First, open your Google Chrome or any browser and go to skillsbuild.org. On the upper right corner, click Sign Up. Select one of the following. Then click Sign Up. Click Sign Up with Google. Choose your Gmail account. Set up your profile. Fill up the basic information. Click Terms and Conditions and check the boxes. Click on the Submit button. Then click Go to Selection. Click Next. Click on your desired areas of interest. Scroll down and check the boxes, then click Continue. Click Skip Tutorial. This is the dashboard of your Skills Build account. So far you have 0 learning hours and credentials. Let's search Principles of Design. Click the top search result. Click the Enroll button. Scroll down and click the course. Click the Go to this activity button. Here are the topics under the course. Click on the first topic, Introduction. Read the content and watch the videos. After reading, scroll down and check the box to finish the topic. Click Let's Keep Going. Do the same thing on the remaining topics. Try to enter your response if needed. Try to take the quiz and pass it. Then after finishing all the topics, take the end of course quiz. Click Let's Play. It is a 10-item quiz. You need to get 7 points to pass it. Finish the last topic. No need to pass any requirement. Scroll down and check the box to finish the topic. On the next day, open your Gmail account. Open the message from IBM. Claim your badge via Credly. Let's check if it is verified. Go back to your dashboard on Skills Build. Go to Progress and Completed Learning. Click on the course. Go to Actions, and select View Completion Certificate. There you have it. You have now your certificate. You can share online or print for hard copy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.